Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to turn off and on your Apple Watch 8. So let's do it. So to turn off your Apple Watch you need to push and hold this button like this and keep pushing, and now you need to push here where you see this turn off on icon like this, and now just swipe to power off, and that's all. So it's not so hard. And to power on your watch you need to push and hold again this button like this until you will see Apple logo on your screen. That's it. Now I removed the finger, and you need to wait for a few seconds. And that's all. So it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.